Yeah, Chop. Good boy.
Oh!
That nigga look like Scary Movie when the bitch hits the bench. You know what I'm talking about?
Damn.
Good boy, Chop.
Now make him tighten it up first. Make him tighten. You see, because he's slipping off. You gotta make him You gotta let him bite it so his grip, so he gets a grip. And then you gotta like shake it a little so he has more grip. This nigga's flying like a dumbass.
Yeah, Chop.
Hey, and I shake it there, shake it while he's on the floor so he gets more tight. There you go.
Yeah, Chop.
Nah, don't do that. Alright, that's it. That's it. The magic's gone. The magic's gone.
Breathe. Yeah, Chop.
Balls, come here.
Good boy.
You got a boy? Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Nah, that's it. He's gonna bite your finger like you bit mine.